What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Bubbleville Bassin'. Got Shinbone here in the truck with me. We're backing down the ramp right now. We got maybe about 5 hours to fish. The rain's possibly gonna do something stupid, but you know how that works. We are at a juicy pond, like always. Every pond we got is juicy. We are attempting to slay some bass and have a 1v1 tournament.
It's crunch time.
Let's go.
That's the new cabin of the road.
Alright guys, so we're on the pond. It's pretty foggy. The water is 5 degrees. There's a 5-degree difference between what we fished with last time. So it might be popping, Jack. That's a little bait ball down there. So I hooked into the biggest tree in the history of this freaking pond. Or actually, it's a lake because it's way bigger than a pond. But nonetheless, I hooked a tree, guys. I can't even. Oh, I can't see it. I forgot that tree was down here. There she is, right down there. Get off there. There we go. I got the old grubbelina back. Yeah, so, oh well. That's all a turkey is an overgrown chicken. Right?
I don't know. That one. Good stuff. You net?
Little bassalina.
About damn time.
Yeah. First bass on the camera. If I had a present for you, buddy, I'd hook you up. But look, guys, a little tiny little bass. Get bigger.
Good one. Net. Net.
Yeah. Get that.
Yeah, get that pickerel in here. Turn the pumps off.
Woo!
That's a nice pick, dude. That's a real nice one.
Nice.
All right.
Sweet.
Nice fish,
Can take a picture of him. Look at that pickerel, guys. Fat.
That's a badass picture. He's fat.
They go and run that. I gotta probably retie. He probably yanked. I don't know how I didn't lose that thing.
Yeah, make sure you don't have any fray on there. Hey, guess that gamma line's working for you now, isn't it?
Not a fray, dude.
That's what I'm saying. I was looking at it. I couldn't see no frays on it. I got really good vision, so.
All right, guys. So you just saw me catch that pickerel off the old ring perch lure, right? Look at the line. This gamma line I got. It's abrasion resistant. Dude, that pickerel had freaking chompers on him. Got one?
Yeah.
Was it a bass?
I think it's a ring. Not too bad.
I think that might be my first 12-inch fish. Oh, he's pretty. Kind of off the bottom a little bit. He hit it on the bounce, so that's 12-inch fish.
Nice, dude.
Oh yeah. Little rattle trap.
Yeah. Thank you, bud. Let's try to hit this point over here. Right here in the middle. That one? What the heck is it? Oh, it's a mini bass.
It's a micro bass.
Got a micro bass. Stud. Absolute stud. Yeah, look. Watch out there. Off that pine tree, that dead pine. Straight out. Got one?
Yep.
Good stuff, bro. Inshore. Good, good, good. That's beautiful fish, man. See all the purple across his back and stuff? Right above his
Look at that line.
That's a chunk there. I'm just letting it fall back to the bottom. That's all I'm doing with it. Nice
I
fish.
think I need to downsize.
What? What? What?
What is that?
Gizzard shad, dude. In the mouth, too. Look at that beautiful gizzard shad. Guess we need to replicate the bait.
bobbing on him. Oh. Good stuff, good stuff. Bass.
Look at that, boys. Thank you, dog. See you, dog.
Eating on the bottom again. Little chunky donkey.
Beautiful bass.
Hey, look at the colors right here. Pretty fish. All right, buddy. 2 for me.
Right in the ring.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Right in the ring, dude.
Probably. Good stuff, dude.
Nice little pretty crappie.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Something nice.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This one's fat, dude.
Yeah, I know, dude. He's wrapped around his gill plate, too.
Maybe that's why.
I think he did that after he flipped out of the water. He's got a scale on his back.
He's got a scale on top of his spine.
Oh, he was in a knot of them then, dude. Did you leave the scale on top of his spine?
Yep.
Bye-bye, fish with your scale. Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby. Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby. It's a bass. 3 for 3! Oh, get over here. I'll hold you. These are beautiful fish, man. God, they're pretty. Look at all the color across the back.
Guys, we are absolutely crushing fish right now.
Yeah. Crappie.
Like, this is nuts. I just wish they were all 2-pounders. We need to get another double up, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Got one.
Almost had a double.
Better get away from that motor, boy. Come here, Bo.
That's a nice fish.
Mm-hmm. Yee yee. Same grub, guys. Look at this. Split it down the middle. All the top and shin bone is hooked up. Good stuff.
Yeah. Look at that thing smell. Yeah.
Double up.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
I definitely got some editing to do.
Hooked up. Another nice one, isn't it? He choked that bad boy, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Try the bottom approach again. Yeah, something whacked him upside his head.
Look on top of his head, guys. Nice little crop. Dude, we're out here in wintertime, in the rain. Absolutely slaying fish right now. Got anything to add to that, Shimbo?
We just need a big bass.
Yeah, we need a big bass. bass. Show them the inside of your lip. It's crazy.
Red, red, red. Red, 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 red lip.
Wrapping up the day fishing here on the pond. It's been an epic day to say the least. Caught a big chain pickerel, a bunch of bass, and like 8,000 crappie. I don't know the exact count, but we're gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully I can get as many likes as I did crappie, yeah. So we absolutely slayed them. So stay tuned for the next video, whenever that is. Probably next weekend. Probably at this tournament we're gonna fish here. So hopefully y'all like the video, and please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.